The top 6 AI technologies revolutionizing finance and trading. Artificial intelligence, AI, software is transforming the finance and trading industry by enabling financial institutions to analyze vast amounts of data and generate insights that can help them make better decisions. There are several AI-powered software solutions that are commonly used in finance and trading. In this video, we will discuss some of the most popular ones. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning software library developed by Google. It is widely used in finance and trading for data analysis and predictive modeling. TensorFlow can be used to create complex neural networks that can analyze large amounts of financial data and make predictions about market trends and investment opportunities. IBM Watson. IBM Watson is a powerful AI software platform that can analyze vast amounts of data and generate insights that can help financial institutions make better decisions. Watson can be used for a wide range of applications in finance and trading, including fraud detection, risk management, and investment analysis. Alpaca. Alpaca is an AI-powered trading platform that enables developers to build trading algorithms using machine learning and natural language processing. Alpaca provides access to real-time market data and allows developers to create trading algorithms that can execute trades automatically. Caveout. Caveout is an AI-powered investment platform that uses machine learning algorithms to analyze market data and identify investment opportunities. Caveout provides investors with real-time insights and recommendations based on its proprietary machine learning models. AlphaSense. AlphaSense is an AI-powered platform that can analyze vast amounts of financial data and generate insights that can help financial institutions make better decisions. AlphaSense uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to analyze financial documents, news articles, and other sources of information. Tradare. Tradare is an AI-powered trading platform that enables financial institutions to execute trades in real time. Tradare uses machine learning algorithms to analyze market data and identify trading opportunities. The platform also provides access to real-time market data and allows traders to execute trades automatically. In conclusion, AI software is transforming the finance and trading industry by enabling financial institutions to analyze vast amounts of data and generate insights that can help them make better decisions. TensorFlow, IBM Watson, Alpaca, Caveout, AlphaSense, and Tradare are some of the most popular AI-powered software solutions in finance and trading. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in this field. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.